Hey guys, Trevor here. And in this video, I'm going to show you how to change your TikTok account, country, or region. Now let's open up the TikTok app on your iPhone or Android and tap on the profile button at the bottom right. Now, after you've done that, let's tap on those three lines at the top right. And you'll be able to see at the very bottom is your settings and privacy. Let's just first tap on that. Now within here, the first thing I would recommend trying is going to privacy right under account. You'll be able to see a number of different things on here. You're looking to see if there's something, depending on which country or region you currently are in, it might say your country or region in here. And in my case, in the United States, it doesn't say that, but in some other countries, it does show you your country or region, and then you can change it in here. However, as I said, it doesn't show up for me in the United States in TikTok. So I'm going to hop out of here and open up the settings app on my iPhone. You can do the same on Android as well. Let's change the country or region on your iPhone, because a lot of times TikTok just pulls the country or region from your iPhone. So let's tap on General here. And now from here, let's scroll down until we get to language and region. Let's say you move from the United States over the United Kingdom and you wanted to change it so that it is associated with the United Kingdom. I can tap on region, and instead of the United States, I can switch it to the United Kingdom if I wanted to, and hit yes, change it to English UK, and it will change everything on my iPhone to the UK or the United Kingdom. You can change it again to any other country you want. Now, after you change that, we also need to change it in the App Store. So open up the App Store, and then you're going to tap on your profile at the top right. And now from here, we're going to tap on your name at the very top to get to your App Store account. Let me use my Face ID real quick. And now from here, you'll be able to see country/region. It's set to the United States. Again, if you move to a different country, you can always update that country. And let's again use the example of the United Kingdom. I can tap on that and then go through the process of changing that. Keep in mind, you will need to cancel any active subscriptions you have. In my case, I have Apple One that I would need to cancel and then change that country or region. Now, the last option you have is back in TikTok. So let's open up TikTok here, and let me go back to the beginning and tap on your profile at the bottom right, and then the three lines at the top right. Now within here, we're going to try to see if we can change it in the TikTok Help Center. So tap on Settings and Privacy. And then from here, let's scroll down until we get to Help Center and tap on that. Now, all you need to do is hit the chat with us. And on here, we're going to type in change country and hit send. Now, you'll be able to see, depending on what country you currently are in, it might be available or it might not. And it says the option to change your country is not yet available for everyone, but it could be available for you. I hope this helps. If it did, hit the subscribe button down below and leave a comment if you just have any questions. Thanks, guys.